Hi there, if you want to learn about aorta and aortic aneurysms, listen up. This is our normal heart. This is the left ventricle, and the artery originating here is the aorta. Aorta is the main artery in the human body that carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body and has three layers: inner layer intima, middle layer media and outer layer adventitia. Over time, the degenerative disease may cause the middle layer to break down, weakening the wall of your aorta and forming an aortic aneurysm like a balloon. An aortic aneurysm can cause problems. That could be a rupture where the weakened area may develop a hole, bursting the blood into your body, or a dissection where the blood pumped forcefully through your aorta can split the artery wall's layers, leaking the blood into the space, which further splits your artery wall. Talk to your doctor if you are at risk of developing an aortic aneurysm. We will soon be back with another video like this one.
Till then, do like and share this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.